Okay, warm up for math, week number 35. First one is find the area of the rectangle below. How do we find the area of a rectangle? Who can tell us? Lucia. Length times width. So we have 7 times 3/10. What do I know about whole numbers in fractions? What can I do so this makes it look better? Jack?
You can put a 1 under the 7.
Okay, now this looks easier. When I multiply a fraction, I'm just multiplying numerator and denominator. So 7 times 3 is 21, and 1 times 10 is 10. Now, am I done? No, this is called a what? When the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Improper fraction. So I'm going to make it into a what? Mixed number. So step 1, I'm asking myself, how many times does 10 go into 21? Twice. So 2 times 10 is 20. 21 minus 20 is 1. So the leftover part 2 is 1, and my denominator is the same, 10. So the answer is 2 1/10 square yards. Why is it a 2 by the yard and not a 1 or a 3? Jack?
Because you only multiply twice, not like 3 times for volume.
Right. And so if you can think of it this way, why yard, when I'm just looking at measuring a linear measurement, I have a yard and I don't have any numbers by it because it's just 1, right? Okay, number 2, look at the triangle on the coordinate grid. If it were moved so that its bottom left vertex, gee, that's something else, was coordinate 5, 4, what would its other coordinates be? So basically it's saying left vertex, which is corner. Okay, if I were to move that to 5, 4, over 5, up 4. Now, how do I figure out where I put the other vertices? If I've moved this one to here, how many spaces have I moved it over, Cooper?
You moved it 3.
1, 2, 3 over. So what am I going to do with the right?
Move it 3.
I'm going to move this 3. 1, 2, 3. And then what about this one? 1, 2, 3. And if I connect the dots, I have this nice triangle. Okay, so I've just moved it over. That wasn't so bad. Okay, so that's something new we haven't done before, is looking at displacement here, where I have moved my point, and if I just moved it over, I can see I have to do the same thing with all of them, so it looks, the triangle looks the same. Mariana?
It's like what we were talking about before, it's like a reflection.
It does. If I put a line of symmetry down the middle, right? If there was paint on this one and I flopped it over the fold, it would make this paint. And now it's a butterfly. Here's the feelers. Oh gosh. Doesn't it look like, it looks like a butterfly now. It's a beautiful butterfly. Okay. Next. 80 minus 75 times 2. What do I do first? It's called PEMDAS, one of our favorite friends. And what do I do first? Docs. Parentheses, P for parentheses, which is this one. 80 minus 75 is 5. Now I can do the next thing. Do I have any exponents? No. Multiplication or division? Yes. 5 times 2, and the answer is 10. And that's all for now. Bye, Jared.